Hello guys, this is Evermart Technology. Today I want to give you a review on this tracker 003, and this is how it looks like. It comes with 4 connections of wires. You have power, that is positive, negative. We have the relay connector and accessory connector. The relay is here. This is the kill switch. The kill switch is used to give the signal to the engine in case you want to cut engine power or you want to resume engine power. This is the kill switch that is going to be used, and it's a 12 volt. This is the best tracker in the market, and I can tell you guys that if you have a fleet of trucks, cars, motorbikes, pickups, you want to get instant information on them, you can use this tracker and you can manage to track your fleets in case of any need. So it comes with also a platform whereby you can log in online and you can track real time. We also have a phone app, and also we can use SMS commands, whereby if you want to stop the vehicle, you just send an SMS command to the tracker. It communicates with the relay and it cuts off the engine. If you want to know the speed the driver is going, you just send a code. If you want to know, to give it a geofence, a location where the driver, if the driver goes against that location, it will send you a message. Also, if you want to track that the vehicle or the truck, whatever, how many trips has it done, you can also see, you can check according to the destination, you can check the speed. So this is the best tracker. I'm going to give you a review on how to install in the next video. So guys, if you're interested, you have vehicles, motorbikes, and you do business with them and you want to get information about them, this is the best thing you can install on your vehicles. I'll give you price on the next video, and also you'll check on the link for the installation prices. Welcome.